Thank you for that wonderful question. Pwede ulitin. Sorry. Siguro yung...
How do you navigate that? Like, bridging both?
Yeah.
Like,
Siguro yung pag-navigate, may one thing ako na always minimake sure na parang always acknowledging na the two cultures are different. So parang when you're in this scene and when you're in this scene, kailangan alam mo yung do's and don'ts. Ganyan. Tapos same thing siya pag nag-invite ako ng mga drag queens sa ball, ganyan. Tapos parang kinaklarify ko talaga na parang no matter how established you are in the drag scene, pagdating mo sa ballroom scene, back to zero ka. Tapos kailangan i-learn mo talaga siya from square one, ganyan. Tapos same din sa ballroom, na parang if bet nyo pumasok sa drag scene, ganyan, achievin din natin yung culture nila, ganyan. So,
that's true.
mutual yung respect